Tesla semi-frames stack up in Nevada as production nears. Tesla is moving closer to the initial production of the Semi later this year, and outside of its dedicated factory in Nevada, which will be responsible for building the all-electric truck, frames, and other parts of the vehicle, are beginning to stack up. The Semi-production facility is located on the same property as Gigafactory Nevada, and is moving closer to completion, as the construction crews on site have already enclosed walls. Now, production is moving even closer, as parts of the Semi were spotted outside of the Semi-production facility in Nevada. The images were captured by Zangler, a Tesla Semi enthusiast and Giga Nevada tracker. Assemble these parts, and you have the beginning of a Tesla Semi. The Semi is already used by a handful of companies, including US Foods, Frito-Lay, and PepsiCo. However, the vehicle is not up for public use quite yet, as Tesla is working with various companies to carry out pilot testing of the Semi to see how it performs during regional runs. Tesla Semi fleet from Frito-Lay gets more charging at Bakersfield factory. The results have been very encouraging, with the Semi even completing a 1,000-mile run in a single day 2 years ago. Now, Tesla is truly focusing on the launch of the factory, which will put production into full swing moving into 2026. Earlier this year, Lars Moravi, Tesla's VP of Vehicle Engineering, gave an update on the Semi and the company's current timeline for the product. So, we just closed out the Semi factory roof of walls last week in Reno, a schedule which is great with the weather. In Reno, you never know what's going to happen, but we're prepping for mechanical installation of all the equipment in the coming months. The first builds of the high volumes in design come late this year in 2025 and begin ramping early in 2026. But as we've said before, the Semi is a TCO no-brainer. I think it's really similar to Optimus. It's going to be set by how much people pay, and it has the total cost of ownership. It's much, much cheaper than any other transportation you could have. Tesla also started ordering parts for the Semi and Cybercab after the tariff situation between the US and China was alleviated. Source, reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.